All right, this is the unboxing of the Unye Ooki Card Case. It's a wallet that both men and women can use. Let's see what it looks like. So I'm just going to open it up. It comes in this package right here, wrapped in paper, nice. And there's the Unye. I'm not sure how to pronounce it exactly, but it's pretty hot right now. Handcrafted leather, supposedly. Did I say supposedly? I meant supposedly. All right, pull this out. Here it is right here. So this is the touch. It feels very soft. Let's see. There's these buttons right here. Open this up. The card case. It says Unye. Kind of sounds like Kanye. It has a lot of pockets. It has a pocket on the back. That's handy, especially like when I'm going from bar to bar. I can pull out my license, keep it in the back like that, and like boom. Let's see, what's open it up in here. Okay, more places for cards in here. That's pretty cool. Keep my cards in here. It's very simplistic. That's what I like so much about it. It's very simple. This is the Unye card case. I'm going to put some cards in here and see how I like it, and I'll give a review for it later on. So let me know what you think of the Unye. Check the description part of the page for the for information about this this wallet. Let me know what you think.